Oh no! Oh no!
Yes! 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 Round 1. Fight!
I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, speaking fast, I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay at that, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness, hilarious, you can do with my tongue, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit too.
Round 2. Fight!
Hey! Cappuccino, assassino, ganganzelli, trulala. Cappuccino, assassino, ganganzelli, trulala. Cappuccino, assassino, ganganzelli, trulala. Kiwito, bandito, tralalero, tralala. Cappuccino, assassino, ganganzelli, trulala. Cappuccino, assassino, ganganzelli, trulala. Cappuccino, assassino, ganganzelli, trulala. Kiwito, bandito, tralalero, tralala. Tralalero, tralala. Chef crabra, cadabra, cocosini, mamma, piccione, macchina, bullicini, bananini, bombardino, giamalino, tortughini, dragon fruttini, crocodillo, ananasino, penguino, cocosino, cannelloni, dragoni, crocodildo, taxicino, pussini, sushini, elefantucci, bananucci, rhino, cocosino, blueberry.
Round 3. Fight!
Da Saúl, Zampolino, Cocomelo, Capibari, Cocopelo, Chimpanzini, Bananini, Tortugin, Dragon Frutini, Tralalero, Tralala, Orcalero, Orcala, Capto, Hipopótamo, Cocofanto, Elefanto, Bombardiro, Crocodilo, Spioniro, Golubiro, Trulimero, Trulicina, Ballerina, Capuchina, Lila, espresso una signora, Tigruliga, Pefruttuni, Orangutini, Ananasini, Bom, Bombini, Gusini, Zibra, Zugora, Zibra.
Final round!
What's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be, and do you believe you can
KO. Perfect KO.